Master your mindset with PurposeColor. Learn how to build your mental strength with this tutorial. Introducing PurposeColor Mental Strength Tool. Click the mental strength icon located at the top center of the app. Here, open the mental strength page and note down your current mindset. Then add media that will inspire and achieve your mental strength, such as contacts, significant locations, and helpful pictures or videos. On clicking Next, displays emotional status icons. Rate how you are feeling now. Note your emotional state from the list of emotions displayed. And then rate your reaction to the situation. Say which goal is affected by your reaction. Create or select the actions which affect your mind. And done. And your given data is saved as the Smart Journal, in which you can add yourself notes. And you can also visualize this as a pie chart, which describes your emotional state. Achieve mental strength and build positive habits with PurposeColor.